All right, my friends, today I will be removing the old clutch cable and installing a stock length cable. I'll also be installing the fairing and we'll see how far we go on that. Gauges, wiring, and whatnot. All right, man, I'm happy. We got quite a bit done today. This is as far as I'm gonna go because I'm waiting on the bulbs for the gauges. He had 2 burnt out bulbs, so I told him, just go ahead and get LEDs. So the LEDs are on the way. We're gonna replace all 4. They're gonna be amber color. Go over a little bit of what I've done today. So the 6.5-inch speakers are installed, and he wanted these baffles installed on the speakers. Looks like everything's gonna fit nicely inside the fairing. They're just regular JBL Stage 627F speakers. They are not 2 ohm speakers, they're 4 ohms. All 6 gauges have been installed. Everything's plugged in. Clutch cable is in place. It is not adjusted yet. Now to replace that clutch cable, you unscrew it from here where it mounts into the housing. Take off all your bolts. This piece comes off. Just know oil's gonna leak out of this when you do take this cover off. So put a pan or something underneath it. Just that little piece, you gotta twist it, pull it off, and put it back in. Don't forget to torque everything when you put it all back together. The last thing you wanna do is check your transmission fluid and top it off. Looks like a brand new fairing. Came out nice with that VHT plastic paint. I drained the forks for them. I had some 10-weight oil. So I ended up draining the forks and replacing the oil. It didn't take long at all because this is all apart. And on the 2009 Street Glide, you can actually fill both forks from the top. It's real simple. As far as how much oil, these things take about 10 to 11 ounces. Anyway, that's all I got. Leave comments, questions down below. Ride safe. Keep that rubber on the road.